Henry, what are you playing with Daddy?
Play fetch.
Playing fetch. That's fun, isn't it?
Oh, good throw. Now I'll fetch it back to you.
1, 2, 3. Take that, Daddy.
Heads up, Henry. Good job. Good throw. Put your arms out. Good. Ready? 1, 2,
2,
3.
3. Oh, no.
You're catching it with your head. Ready? I catch it with your arms and your hand.